Crown Orchard was founded by my two great-grandfathers back in 1912. Then my grandfather joined the business. He died fairly young, and my father, Henry VIII, came home to take over the orchard. Crown Orchard today is comprised of about 9 different properties, mostly in Albemarle County. We've got probably 1,500 acres in production.
We're growing apples, peaches, wine grapes, sweet cherries, blueberries, strawberries, pumpkins. It's completely plant-based.
Everything we do is dependent on the Mother Nature. You must not enjoy more than going out and seeing a good apple or a good peach. You know, it gives you a lot of self-pride, raising something that's good that you hope people will like.
We all are just so in awe of the heritage that we have.
It's the heart of who my father is. It's in his blood. It's in all of our blood. We've been doing it ever since we can remember.
I don't have any memories that didn't really begin in the orchard. Growing up, our house was completely surrounded by peaches. I always knew that I wanted to come back to the orchard. It takes a specific type of person to do this job.
Being a farmer is not an easy job. It takes ingenuity and creativity. You have to have dedication.
Being hard work, we work 7 days a week, pretty much year-round.
It's not just a hobby. This is your life. There are going to be good years and there are going to be bad years, and it's not for the lighthearted. To continue to grow and prosper, you can't stay the same. You do have to change. Changing is hard in the farming industry, but it's a necessity.
It seems like every year we're doing something new, and I think that that's important for the company, especially one that's been around for more than 100 years now. When everything that we do relies on the sun and relies on taking care of the land, it just seems second nature to go to solar.
They're in the agricultural business, and their crops depend on the sun predominantly, as do our solar panels and the production of electricity. So it's a perfect marriage.
Between our cold storages, our packing house, our kitchens, our retail locations, our tractors, all of the equipment we run in the orchard, we can consume a lot of power. We are responsible for and entrusted to a lot of land in this area, which we're very fortunate to have, and it just seemed like the right thing to do to lessen our carbon footprint and do our part.
The solar is important to our customers because it shows them we are being stewards of the land. People believe in what this company is doing, and solar is definitely a big part of that.
When my great-grandfather started this business, they picked apples into bushel baskets and took them to market to sell. Everything was done by hand. I don't think they had any idea what it could become 107 years later. But the one thing they wanted that we still want today is to always provide the best fruit possible for our customers and continue to do that for hopefully the next 107 years and on, because Crown Orchard is here to stay.